I recently discovered the fragrance brand House of Asia on Maison de l'Asie, and they have two fragrances that caught my attention. One of them I purchased the last year in 2025, and I'm going to show it to you in a minute. And the second one is Le Nuit de Bali Extrait de Parfum. That is the one I'm showing you right here. Yay! This is my second fragrance from Maison de l'Asie. Maison de l'Asie. And this is the fragrance Les Nuits de Bali Extrait de Parfum. Les Nuits de Bali. The first fragrance I purchased from this house is Bali Extrait de Parfum, and I bought it directly from their website. I really don't know how to correctly pronounce it, but this is a bigger size. This is a 100 ml fragrance, and I bought this one from Max Aroma, and they didn't have the 100 ml. They only had 50 ml size. So there is a 50 ml, there is a 100 ml, and I think there is a smaller size. So let's unbox this and see how it comes. Hopefully it's in good condition. Oh, it's very small. So cute. Noches de Bali. Le Nuit de Bali in Spanish means Las Noches de Bali, and English is Bali Nights. Look how pretty. Really small. Yeah, but it's enough to try it, and if I do really like it, I am going to buy the bigger size. Le Nuit de Bali, Maison de l'Asie. There are two little cards inside the envelope. One is the brand name and information where we can find them in the back. The second one is a little postcard, very beautiful. It has information about the fragrance in the back, and as I can see here, this is the chapter 2 of fragrance 2 of their Indonesian collection, if I'm not mistaken. And it says here in the back that Les Nuits de Bali was inspired by the balmy nights on a tropical island. This fragrance features notes of rose, patchouli, saffron, sandalwood, oud, musk, vanilla, and blush amber. And the main notes, according to the little card, are patchouli, saffron, and oud. And that is why I got it, because I really like those notes. That's why I bought this fragrance blindly. Yes. So happy I have my second fragrance from Maison de l'Asie. And let me quickly show you the other fragrance. This I already unboxed it. Before purchasing Bali I tried a sample and I fell in love. The main notes are coconut, jasmine, and vanilla. This is Bali and this is the bottle. This is the 100 ml bottle. Yes, 100 ml, and this is the 50 ml. Bali is very tropical. And this one, I don't know. I need to smell it. I'm going to do a first impression video soon of the NUITS de Bali soon. Because this one I already did a first impression, I'm sure. Yeah, 50 ml, 100 ml. That's it for this video. See you next time. Bye.